To buy Coinspot, you first need to create an account on the Coinspot website. Start by going to the Coinspot website and clicking on the Register button. You will be asked to provide a valid email address and create a password for your account. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your email. After verifying your email, you will be asked to provide identification documents to complete the Know Your Customer process. This is a standard procedure to prevent money laundering and ensure the security of the platform. After verifying your account, you can deposit funds into your Coinspot account using a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, credit card, or other cryptocurrencies. The payment method you choose will depend on your location and the fees associated with each method. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start buying cryptocurrencies. To buy Coinspot, you will need to search for the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and click on the Buy button. You will then be asked to enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to buy and confirm the transaction. It is essential to do your research and understand the risks associated with buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It is also crucial to keep your account and personal information secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, buying Coinspot is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, verifying your identity, depositing funds, and buying the desired cryptocurrency. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and easily buy Coinspot and start investing in the cryptocurrency market.